You know a morning blend when you see segments like this? Well, today I'm meeting with Stephanie, Mark, and their dog Daphne, who called RG Electric, got the proposal, and today they're having their installation. Let's go inside and go and catch up with them. Stephanie and Mark, so you saw RG Electric on the show.
We did.
And you wanted to make contact. So talk me through how that process worked.
Well, you know, I still work from Illinois, so I'm up early. So I'm always looking at the news to see what's going on. And the commercial came on, and we were thinking about doing solar panels. And I saw it, I called, and they said the first 10 people get a gift card. So that was me.
You got your gift card?
I did.
Solid, we like that, okay. So but the process with RG Electric itself, what was that like?
It was seamless. You know, I called, and they called me back the same day, made an appointment to our likings, and he was there, and he explained everything. Then we actually went through the whole process with our electric bill, and then he gave us what would work for our house to get us at 100%.
It's a great experience. Dave told us all information that we needed. He told us exactly what we was going to be expecting out of him. And he also said, basically, we would love what we're going to get once we get everything hooked up. So.
I know sometimes these things can be like taking a shot in the dark, especially when you guys are new to town. You've been here, you know, like 5, 6, 7 months. You're not sure who to know. There's not someone who can call a guy who knows a guy. So taking that step and leap of faith with someone did you feel more comfortable having seen them on TV already?
You know, you wouldn't have anybody on television that you didn't have would back up.
Right.
You know, so that made my confidence level even better, you know, because we had a lot of people at our door wanted us to, you know, present to us. So that's why I felt confident in, you know, seeing it on the television.
Well, what I love is we're here today. RG Electric are outside right now installing the panels. The guys are hooking up the wiring and stuff. I don't know the technicalities, but I think there's like magic that happens when you connect those things together. Can we take a look outside and see how they're getting on?
Absolutely.
After you guys.
Thank you.
Stephanie, Mark, how does it feel seeing the guys from RG Electric getting to work and installing these sleek-looking solar panels, these VSUNs?
It looks great. I'm thinking that we're going to have a great summer. We're going to actually have power, and I'm going to love everything about it.
Does it give you peace of mind, obviously the professionalism, but also that these panels come with a 30-year warranty?
That was made us actually want to go with it, because we was thinking that if we had any problems, that we could actually contact them if we had to reach someone. So
Yeah, you know, and my husband, he always wants the newest and greatest, so he's very happy about that.
The familiar tale of the husband wanting the flashy new stuff that looks good.
Always.
The good news is as well, clearly they're offering something with great value for you, because tell us about that.
Yes, we're always looking for value. That's the number one thing for us, value. And to security, to have something for 30 years, that's great. So Dave and his company was very great in offering us all this information and giving us the confidence that we are going to be happy once we have a year of this.
So the installation's happening right now. RG Electric are going to be putting on the finishing touches, getting you guys set up for solar power. What would you say to someone who's watching at home, who's seen them on the morning blend before, hasn't done what you did and taken advantage of that offer, for the peace of mind knowing what you're going through right now with RG Electric?
So I do like the professionalism, and I like the way he came and talked to us and explained everything that needs to be done with the solar panels. He also indicated to us that if we had any problems in the future, we can always reach them, and they'll always be around for us at any time we need any problems, or if we need to add anything to our solar panels, they'll be there for us at any time, and they have to worry about a third party, because they're the only ones that will be servicing our solar panels for us.
Everyone at home now will hopefully have peace of mind knowing you've been through the process, you understand everything. Even from the concept stage with the proposal with the Enerflo, showing you how everything's laid out, what it's going to look like. Was that additional layers of peace of mind?
Oh, of course it was. When we did our final proposal with Dave, it was very easy to read. If it's something that we didn't really understand, he went through that and kind of explained it to it at our level, not as an engineer. So I was very happy with the proposal and how he explained the product.
These VSUN panels, they look slick.
They do.
So everyone from the sky flying in to visit you from Illinois is going to go, that's Stephanie and Mark's place.
That's right.
Exactly.
That's right.
Okay. We need to take advantage of these new panels. I think we should go inside, get some air conditioning, maybe have a bite to eat, go and see Daphne the dog.
Yes.
Of course
Yeah?
we can.
Yeah, after you. Oh. What's that, Daphne? The first 5 callers get a $100 gift card from RG Electric, whether they use their services or not. You pay attention to Morning Blend. Good girl.